questions. So to start with, we're going to practice with the containers, okay? Remember, we are going to, I'm going to share with you that link in the chat box, guys. So your mission, guys, it's first to check the containers and drag the information, okay? So I told you, please don't forget to add your names, okay? Remember to add your names there. I pasted the link in the chat box for you guys. So the only thing you have to do is open the link, right? Confirm if it works. Write your names down, right? If my name is Sara Urueña, so write Sara Urueña. If my name is Nelson, write Nelson. And try to use your last name because here we have some namesakes. So please write your names here, okay? And guys, don't forget, in this activity, what we are going to do, guys, it's to tag, right? Tag. Esto es ponerle el nombre a una imagen. Lo llamamos como en Facebook tag o label. Label or tag. So we're going to take this point and exactly to the point where it is, all right? And at the end, please click on submit your answers. Is the instruction clear, everybody?
Yes, teacher.
All right, let's do it. We have 5 minutes, okay? Remember, everybody, recuerden, vamos todos al link en el chat. Cuéntenme si todos tienen acceso al link o pueden ver el link. And we are going to, guys, tag or label the picture, okay? Tag or label the picture. Bueno, ustedes lo van a hacer. Recuerden arrastrar la punta de la imagen, la punta del tag, del nombre hasta la imagen, all right? And you drop it there. And at the end, don't forget to click on enviar respuestas or submit answers. All right? Let's do it. I will be checking who sends it, okay? Caroline. Caroline is Andres Camilo, right? Caroline, you are Andres Camilo Duran, right, Caroline? Or is Tatiana? I don't remember.
Teacher, yo, Caroline.
All right, Caroline. Let's do the activity, guys. Recuerden, los que acabaron de entrar, estamos haciendo la actividad que está en el chat. Se las voy a volver a pegar por si acaso. We're going to tag the pictures. Recuerden, ponerle un tag o ponerle el nombre a las imágenes en inglés. Decimos tag o label the picture. Tag como en Facebook, taguear, tag. Tag these pictures, guys. What is the correct answer there? Okay. So let's check. We only have 5 minutes to do that, okay? And by the way, you can start practicing with pronunciation, all right, with pronunciation. Let's see. Okay. I forgot. Okay, yes. All right. Very good. I've got the answers from Cindy, Sara Martinez, Sara Fernanda, Oscar, and Jessica. Good job, guys. Very, very good. Very fast. Fast people, fast students. So we're going to have 5 minutes because that's the top time in order to do it, right? In order to practice, guys. Doesn't matter if The answers are not all best, but try to check what are the correct answers in each activity. So we have here, and let me check. All right, we got the answers from so we have All right, Solange, don't forget to click on submit. No olvides darle submit, ¿ok? Solange, al final, en la parte inferior de la pantalla te dice enviar respuestas, darle clic ahí, ¿ok? Don't forget that. Sol. And so we have Oscar, Jimena. All right, Nelson. Who's the other? Let's see, stop. Carolina no vino hoy. Carolina Guerra is here? No. Carolina Guerra no. And Cindy, yes. Tatiana no. So Tatiana as well. Tatiana. Okay, guys. Are we ready, guys? Is everybody ready? Are you ready, guys?
Yes, teacher.
Okay.
Yes, teacher.
All right. Solange. Okay, Solange. And who else is missing here? Robert Solange, Sara Urueña, I guess. No. And yes, so guys, for those who were not here at the beginning of the class, so, and I guess Caroline too. Let's see, Caroline is here. No. So guys, for Oscar, Jimena, Nelson, Tatiana, Solange, and Caroline, I'm going to paste on the chat, in the chat box, a link. So please fill it in with your information there, okay? Please use that information in the chat box to fill it with some information there, which is actually very easy. Oscar, Jimena, Nelson, Tatiana, Solange, and Caroline, all right?
Yes, teacher.
It's easy to fill. It takes 1 minute or maybe less. Okay, so here we have the answers from Cindy. Okay, no, wait, because I have to update this. We have the answers from Cindy, Sara Martínez, Sara Urueña, I guess. Creo que la otra Sara Urueña, por favor, a la próxima ponle tu apellido porque es que tenemos otra Sara. Entonces, no sé si Si es la Sara haciendo los veces o eres tú. A la próxima ponle tu apellido o tu segundo nombre. ¿Listo, Sara Ureña? Sara Martínez, Oscar, Jessica, María Alejandra, Nelson, Caroline, Ingrid Roballo, Gabriela, all right. Geraldine, Jimena. Okay, how about Edwin? Edwin, did you send your answers?
Hello, teacher.
Hello.
Ya estoy haciéndolo.
All right. Hasta ahora, but we sent it 10 minutes ago. And we also have here, let's see who's missing. And we have Nelson, right. For 13 people. And what about the others? It's missing, yeah, it's missing Edwin. And it's missing as well. Let's see, we have Oscar there, Gabriela is there, Jimena is there, Nelson is there, falta Edwin, Jessica, yes, Carolina is not here, Cindy is there, good, Tatiana is there, Maria Alejandra is there, good, Geraldine, that's good, Solange, Sol, tú también me faltas, ¿no, Solange? No actualizo, no dice que está haciendo mal. Solange.
Yes.
Yeah, falta Sol. I have no Sol. Sol, Edwin, Carolina Guerra que no está. Catherine, Ingrid is there. I saw her, ¿o no? Ingrid Roballo, yes. And Sara Urueña, que creo que es la que está solita. All right, guys? So, guys, from the picture, okay? Taking into account that information, yes, it's only missing Edwin and Solange. Yes. So guys, let's remember the pronunciation. Is there a volunteer to read the possibilities? What are the possibilities? Let's check the information here and you tell me what would be the possibility there, right? What would be the pronunciation for that activity, guys? Or for the words. Is there one volunteer to read the answers? One person who would like to read all the possibilities, pero por la que los lea todos, ¿no? No solo uno, sino todos. Is there a volunteer? Yes, no? One volunteer to practice with the pronunciation? What would be the answers, guys? Please raise your hand if you wish to practice the pronunciation or say me, Diana, or me, Alejandra, or me, Jessica.
Me, Alejandra.
Go on, Alejandra. What's the pronunciation?
A roll.
Mm-hmm.
A roll of paper.
Great. Continue, please.
A 6-pack of soda.
Excellent.
A tube
Mm-hmm.
of toothpaste.
Excellent.
A bag of flour.
Mm-hmm. Oh, flower.
Flower.
Flower suena como una flor, también son homófonas, suenan iguales. Flower.
Okay. A bag of flour.
Great.
A cup of tea.
Mm-hmm.
A carton of milk.
Great.
A bunch
Mm-hmm.
of grapes.
Mm-hmm. Good.
A head of lettuce.
Yeah, but no lettuce. Lettuce. Yeah.
A head of lettuce.
Good.
A slice.
A slice.
A slice of bread.
Mm-hmm.
A bar of chocolate.
Uh-huh. Chocolate. Okay.
Chocolate. A jar of honey.
Mm-hmm.
A dozen eggs.
Mm-hmm.
A box of pasta.
Good.
A can of soda.
Excellent. Very, very good. Excellent. Nice pronunciation, Alejandra. So just remember to say slice. Okay. Don't forget the pronunciation is slice. And what was the other one? And lettuce. Lettuce, right? Or you can say, guys, if you prefer American English, you can say lettuce. Como si en vez de pronunciar la T hicieran una D en American English. Más que lettuce sería lettuce. So lettuce or British English, lettuce. All right, lettuce, ahead of lettuce. All right, guys. So let's see if we have the other answers. Sigo esperando la respuesta de Solange and Edwin. Let's see if we have the answers here. I have the answers from Edwin. No, Solange. What happened, Solange? Any problems with their activity? And guys, so in order to practice, we were checking.
Está teniendo como inconvenientes con el internet, pero ya lo estoy terminando.
All right. Okay, no problem. And please wait that this loads, guys. So in this activity, guys, we were practicing with how many and how much, right? Dijimos que podemos contestarlos de una forma muy general, como hay harto, hay poquito, hay algo de, o podemos contestarlo con los containers, right? For example, guys, if we practice here, okay, we're going to practice first with the how many and how much, right? How many and how much. So remember, if we use the question how many, okay, we can answer with general or specific answers, all right? So let me show you here. For instance, guys, if we say how many blah, blah, blah are there? So we can answer with there is a, okay, como es contable, sí, aquí podemos utilizar there is o there are. Si there is, si es solo uno, o there are, si es más de uno, ¿no? So there is a, there are a lot of, there are some, there are a few, there are not many. Recuerden que not many lo utilizamos más que todo en negativo. No es tan común que uno diga there are many people, porque en ese caso utilizaríamos mejor there are a lot of people. Y más bien lo utilizamos como hacia el lado de no hay tanta gente. There are not many people. All right? Entonces, más que decir there are many people, es mejor decir there are a lot of people. There aren't any, okay, o there are no, okay, with quantifiers, con estas palabras que utilizamos para cuantificar cosas como a lot, some, a few, not many, and any, okay. Recuerden que aquí estamos usando hoy there is, there are, pero ustedes lo pueden usar con cualquier otro tema. Aquí vamos a usar there is, there are, pero ya creo que más adelante lo van a utilizar con otro que no es there is, there are. And with containers, so there is a bottle of water, there are 2 bottles of, all right? There are some cans of, okay? There are 10 bananas. There are 2 bunches of bananas, for example. There are a dozen eggs. There are dozen eggs, okay? So we can use it like this, with containers and no containers. So how many, blah, blah, blah. How many eggs, how many people, how many pillows, how many rooms are there? How many? ¿Cuántos? ¿Cuántos o cuántas? ¿Cuántos o cuántos? All right? And when we use how much, guys, it's similar. It's similar. We're going to use quantifiers. Entonces, para decir que hay mucho, there is a lot. Aquí sí, por regla general, cuando utilicemos estos quantifiers, vamos a utilizar there is, siempre. No hay excepción cuando la respuesta es how much. Si utilizo a lot of, some, a little, not much, any, or no, va a ser there is. No hay o no hay, all right? There is a lot of, que es parecido aquí a esta, ¿ven? There is a lot of. There is some, okay? There is, here, there is a few, there are a few, here there is a little, un poquito. There is a little. There's a little, all right? Or if you want, you can say little, 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 or little, little, little. Ustedes deciden cuál prefieren usar, si little, little, or little. Como si la T en vez de una T fuera una D. Little, las T's, little, a little. There's a little. When we're going to use there's not much, okay? There's not much, pasa lo mismo que con many. Más que decir there are many people, decimos there are a lot of people. O aquí, más que decir there is much water, decimos there is a lot of water. Y dejamos much más bien cuando no hay mucha. There is not much water. There isn't any or there is no in negative. Okay? So there is a lot of water, there is some cheese, there is a little butter, there is not much sugar, there isn't any oil, and there is no, I don't know, bread, for example, ¿ok? Aquí podemos tener quantifiers. Y igual que con how many, podemos utilizar en how much containers. Aquí, obviamente, dependiendo del número de containers que utilicemos, va a ser plural, aunque el objeto que pongamos aquí sea incontable, ¿ok? Porque recuerden que utilizar containers hace que las cosas sean contables. So, there is a bottle of water, ¿ok? Si la pregunta es how much water is there? How much water is there? Entonces yo puedo decir, there is a lot of water, mucha, there is a lot of water. There is a bottle of water. There are 2 bottles of water. There are some bottles of water, etc. Okay? Up to that moment, do you have any questions, guys, with the difference between how many and how much?
Teacher, a question.
Go on.
The many
Many?
can I use for sentence affirmative?
Of course. Yeah. With many?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. For example,
I don't know in the moment.
for example, using only many, like there are many people. Yeah.
Exactly.
Yes, but it's cuando decimos there are many people, es que many no se utiliza tanto para decir que hay muchas. No de la forma en que ustedes lo quieren decir, como lo haríamos en español, porque para eso utilizamos lot, a lot of. There are lots of people, there are a lot of people, o there is a lot of people. ¿Ok? Pero many lo utilizaríamos más cuando decimos que hay demasiadas. Ahí es cuando utilizamos many. Cuando yo, por ejemplo, viendo las protestas veo, no, there are many people, mucha, demasiada. Como más como con un sentido de que se excede. Eso sería many. Pero la forma correcta de expresar en inglés, o la mejor forma de expresar en inglés que hay muchas o muchos, es a lot o lots. Lots of. No quiere decir que many esté mal, all right? Pero si me piden mi opinión, yo les digo que es más conveniente utilizar lot que many cuando quieren decir que hay muchas o muchos, right?
Okay, thank you.
All right? Pueden usar many, lo que te digo, pero cuando tú quieres decir como que hay demasiado de algo. There are many people, there are many children, there are many problems. For example, in Colombia, there are many problems, ¿ok? Too many problems. Ya es demasiados los problemas que hay en este país. There are many problems, ¿ok? Y lo mismo pasa con match, Ustedes pueden decir there is match, ¿ok? Pero también aplica con lo mismo de many, que much sería más como si me inclinara a decir que hay demasiado de algo. Y si simplemente quiero decir que hay mucho, la vieja confiable es a lot o lots of. Nos sirve y es la que más se utiliza. ¿Ok? That's what I mean. All right. Any other question, guys? Questions? No questions? Problems? No problems? No? It's the topic clear for everybody? So, guys, while you think about your questions, remember to raise your hand or turn on your microphone if you have questions. Guys, here we have, look, the idea in this part of the class, guys, it's to complete here with the correct noun missing, with the item or the object we need to ask for, all right? All of these are going to be countable, all right? So, for example, in this case, guys, if the answer is there are 2x, what is the question? What is the question here? What is missing? Please read the question, all right? No me digan solo la palabra, sino díganme la pregunta completa, ¿cómo quedaría?
How many eggs are there?
Excellent, all right? How many eggs are there? So there are 2x, there are 2x. Si no usáramos una cantidad específica que podríamos utilizar para responderla. Yo puse específica, there are 2x. Pero si no usáramos una cantidad específica, what would we use, guys?
There are some eggs.
Yeah, there are some eggs. Or there are, or there are a few. There are not many eggs, all right? How about this one, guys? What's the question here? What's the question here? If the answer is there are 3 cans of soda. What's the question?
How many
cans of soda are there?
How many cans of soda are there? Okay, so there are 3 cans of soda. There are 3 cans of soda. Good. How about this one? There are a few carrots. Creo que Alejandra era la que le iba a decir ahorita y no lo terminó. Is that was you, Alejandra? Maria Alejandra? Or not really? Or was there another person?
Yes, teacher.
Go on. What is the question with carrots, Alejandra?
How many carrots are there?
Exactly. So there are a few carrots, okay, a few. Ven, ahí no especifico cuántas. Digo que hay pocas, pero no digo si 1, si 3, si 10. ¿Ustedes están de acuerdo? Miren en la imagen. There are a few carrots.
No, teacher.
How many carrots are there, Nelson? How many carrots are there?
A lot.
Okay, but in the answer, there are
There are a lot carrots.
a lot of carrots. Good, Nelson. All right, here, guys, there are 2 strawberries. 2 strawberries. What would be the question? What would be the question? What question can we use there, guys? For there are 2 strawberries. ¿Cuál sería la pregunta? What would be the question?
How many strawberries are there?
Exactly. All right. How many strawberries are there? So how many strawberries are there? There are 2 strawberries. Oh, sorry. And here we have, guys, there are a lot of bananas. There are a lot of bananas. What would be the question? What's the question there, guys?
How many bananas are there?
Okay, go on, Oscar. Please repeat.
How many bananas are there?
Yes, remember the pronunciation? How. How. How.
How?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Please repeat the question.
How many bananas are there?
Yes. So in the answer, there are a lot of bananas. Do you agree, guys? ¿Están de acuerdo? There are a lot of bananas?
No, teacher.
What's the correct answer? There are 2.
Bananas.
Or
A
any
few.
other, a few bananas. There are a lot of bananas. There are few bananas. Okay. So we have, guys, the questions there. How many are there? Other possibilities. Si preguntara sobre los limones, ¿cómo sería la pregunta? What would be the question for the lemons, guys? One volunteer? One volunteer to create the question with the lemons?
How many lemons are there?
Excellent, Edwin. Nice pronunciation, Edwin. Good. And if we talked about the apples,
Hey, how many apples are there?
Excellent. Very good, guys. Excellent. All right. That's for how many. ¿Sí ven lo que puedo contar? Now, guys, here we have the question. Remember the pronunciation, how much, no how much. Much, no, how much. How much, blah, 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 is there. Okay? How much, blah, 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 is there. Entonces, ¿qué vamos a poner aquí? Eso que vamos a preguntar. For example, if we say, there is a lot of cake. There's a lot of cake. So what is the question? What would be the question there if the answer is there is a lot of cake?
How much cake is there?
Excellent. Very good, Jessica. Nice pronunciation. So how much cake is there? There is a lot of cake. Good. How about this one, guys? It says there are 2 jars of jam. Recuerden que aquí, esto que voy a poner acá no se cuenta, pero como en la respuesta sí lo puedo contar, entonces voy a utilizar there are, ¿no? Porque sí lo puedo contar. What would be the answer here, guys? How much? Who's the volunteer to read that answer? That question,
How much jam is there?
Excellent, Nelson. All right. How much jam is there? So there are 2 jars of jam. There are 2 jars of jam. Okay. And how about this one, guys? There is no fish. There is no fish. What's the question?
How much fish is there?
Good, Jessica. Nice. En el pescado tiene un problema, right? El pescado es el mejor ejemplo del inglés. Para cada regla y excepción. El pescado en el mar, bueno, el pescado no, los peces en el mar, yo los puedo contar, yo digo 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pero como comida, como carne, como lo que consumimos los seres humanos, no se cuenta. Por eso lo ponemos aquí en no contable, ¿ok? Y my other question is, do you agree? Do you agree with this answer? Is this correct? Is this true?
No, teacher.
How much fish is there? How much fish is there? No lo puedo contar. Recuerden que no lo puedo contar. Entonces no puedo decir 2. ¿Qué vamos a decir ahí?
There is some fish.
Good, excellent, very, very good, guys, very good, ¿ok? Esa es una posibilidad, también si quieren lo pueden poner en libras, como quieran, no problem. All right, then we have, guys, what is the question here? It says there are 3 cartons of milk. There are 3 cartons of milk. What would be the correct question there?
How much milk is there?
Great, Jessica, all right, so... In this case, recuerden, la leche no la cuento, pero las cajitas de la leche sí, entonces aquí por eso lo ponemos en contable. There are 3 cartons of milk, porque no cuento la leche, sino las cajas, right? There are 3 cartons of milk. And what about this one, guys? What's the question? It says there is some meat. There is some meat. What's the question?
How much meat is there?
Excellent. All right. Very good, Cindy. So it says there is some meat. All right. There is some meat. All right. Hay algo de carne. There is some meat. Okay. In order to practice. Guys, now, let's practice here, guys, with this picture. Okay. I'm going to show you one picture. I am going to ask the questions for you guys. And I would like you to answer with the possible questions there, with the information there, okay? Here, okay? If I ask you guys, for example, I am going to ask the questions. Yo les hago las preguntas, ustedes me van contestando. Hay información para todo el mundo. For example, if we say, Ingrid, how much soda it's there? How much soda it's there, Ingrid? Ingrid Roballo. How much soda it's there? Soda. Soda is, Ingrid, can you hear me?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, Ingrid, how much soda it's there?
1.
Ingrid, apagaste el micrófono. Ok, ahora sí te escucho. Ahí lo volviste a apagar. Ingrid?
No, teacher.
No? Remember
No.
soda? Gaseosa, right? Soda.
Yes.
So, how much soda it's there? How much soda it's there? How much soda is there? Look, soda and soda. How much soda is there? Recuerda que estamos practicando con qué, ¿qué es lo que te estoy preguntando, Cindy? ¿Qué pregunta te estoy haciendo?
¿Cuánta soda hay?
Ya, ¿cuánta gaseosa, cierto? Entonces, ¿qué me vas a contestar? Look, mira, aquí teniendo en cuenta esto y esto, ¿qué podrías contestarme?
One.
Me apagaste el micrófono, Cindy. Cindy, no, Ingrid, sorry. Ingrid.
There is a soda.
Pero sí podemos decir there is a soda, no porque la soda no la podemos contar, pero sí podemos contar, por ejemplo, las botellas o las latas. Entonces, ¿qué podríamos decir? ¿Cuántas latas hay? ¿Y cómo vamos a decir lata? How do you say lata in English,
Okay.
Ingrid?
Es que
¿Cómo
estamos
decimos
dando la
lata?
primera.
Guys, how do you say lata in English?
Can.
Can.
Cans.
So, entonces, sí, Ingrid, ¿qué me vas a decir? Yo te digo, how much soda is there? ¿Qué me vas a decir? There is or there are? There is a can, there are 2 cans, there are 3 cans.
There are 2 cans.
2 cans. ¿Y esta? Que esta es la famosa.
There is a soda.
No, soda solita no la podemos usar. Ahí tienes que ponerle algún container, porque solita no te sirve. ¿Cuál sería ese, guys? What's this container, guys?
There is a bottle.
Yes. All right. So, Ingrid, I repeat my question. How much soda is there? ¿Qué tanta gaseosa hay? ¿Cuánta gaseosa hay, Ingrid? Please repeat. There.
Teacher, es que no le estoy escuchando muy bien.
¿Me escuchan cortado? ¿Ustedes me están escuchando mal, guys?
No, teacher.
No, teacher.
All
No,
right.
teacher.
So probably it's your connection, Ingrid. So, Maria Alejandra, how much soda is there?
There is 2 cans.
There is or there are?
There are 2 cans
Good.
of soda.
No more? No more? Just 2 cans?
No. And 1 bottle.
Good. Excellent. All right. And then, guys, Cindy, how about eggs, Cindy? ¿Qué hago con la pregunta? ¿Cómo le pregunto por los huevos, guys? Cindy, how can I ask the question about the eggs? How many or how much?
How many?
How many?
How many eggs are there?
Yes, Cindy, how many eggs are there? Cindy Herreño, how many eggs are there in this picture?
There are 5 eggs. I
Yeah,
know.
well, yeah, no, that's correct. That's correct. There are 5 eggs. Yeah, that's okay. All right. And how about this one, guys? What's this called in English? 26. What is that, guys, in English?
Butter.
Butter. Yeah, very good. So are we going to use how much or how many?
How much?
How much? So, Tatiana, how much butter is there? How much butter is there? Tatiana, how much butter is there? Tatiana, estamos practicando, tú no estabas antes del descanso, pero estamos practicando con cantidades.
No, señora.
No? All right. So, Oscar, how much butter is there?
There is one butter.
Pero la mantequilla no la podemos contar, entonces no puedes decir one butter, pero sí podemos contar qué cosas de la
Bar.
mantequilla. Ajá.
Bar.
So, can you please repeat that? How much butter is there, Oscar?
There is a bar butter.
A bar of butter. A bar of butter. Great.
Bar
Okay.
of butter.
All right. Excellent. And how about this one, guys? What is this? What is this? 23. What is 23, guys?
Dresser?
Again, please repeat.
Dresser?
Dresser? No, actually, I think this is jam. Jam. Remember the jam, guys? Jam. Ahorita quién sabe qué me va a salir, right? Please wait, guys. Jam, like strawberry jam, or the most famous one in Colombia, la Constancia, right? La Constancia, yeah, la Constancia. All right, the jam. Remember the jam, guys? Jam. This is jam. Okay. So in that case, Edwin, yeah.
Jam es como mermelada, ¿cierto? Como jalea.
Yes. Mermelada. Aunque sabes que también a veces dicen marmalade, pero creo que es más como un jam. All right, let me see. Marmalade. Yeah, they say marmalade too, but the most common one is jam. Está mal escrito, míralo. Sino que esta tiene más las fruticas, ¿sí? Como, mira la diferencia, right? That's the difference. But yes, that's the one. So, are we going to use, guys, for the jam, how many or how much?
How much?
How much?
Yeah, so how much jam is there, Edwin? How much jam is there?
There is a jar of jam.
Excellent, very good. All right. And how about this one, guys? What is 22? What's 22, guys?
Bananas.
Bananas, that's right. Are we going to use how many or how much?
How many?
How many?
How many what? How many?
How many
bananas?
is there?
Are there, because it's plural.
Are there?
Yes. So, Gabriela, how many bananas are there? Gabriela Montes, jeje. Gabriela, how many bananas are there? Gabriela, how many bananas are there? Hello? Okay, so how about Jessica? Jessica, how many bananas are there?
There are 3 bananas.
All right, very good. Oh, there is another possibility to say that. 3 bananas? Yes. I know, yes, that's okay, don't worry. And tengo a alguien aquí como Johan Esteban Pineda. ¿Quién es ese estudiante? Johan Esteban Pineda. Porque no sé cuál es el nombre.
Y es que estoy desde el
Solange?
computador y de mi hermano.
All right. Okay, no problem, Sol. And so Solange, here we're gonna have, guys, for example, this one. Do you remember what this is in English?
And this is one tray of fish.
Yes, one tray. Good, excellent. One tray of fish. So, how much fish is there, Solange? How much fish is there? How much fish is there, Solange? ¿Cuánto
I
pescado hay?
don't know.
Ya, miren la imagen.
Okay.
Right? ¿Recuerda que estamos practicando? ¿Qué es lo que estamos practicando hoy?
Cantidad.
Es como
Ah.
preguntar las cantidades. Entonces, ¿cuánto hay? ¿Cuánto hay? ¿Cuánto es? ¿Cuánto? Bla, bla, bla. Entonces, estamos preguntando. Si vamos a preguntar por el pescado, how much fish is there, Solange?
How many fish
No,
are...
it's not possible how many porque no se puede contar. ¿Se acuerda? Como el pescado como comida no lo cuento. Lo cuento en el mar, pero como comida no se puede contar. Vamos a utilizar how much. How much fish is there? No how many.
Okay. How
So,
are there?
sorry?
Teacher, ¿es decir la pregunta o la respuesta? Es que me
La
confundí.
respuesta. La respuesta.
Okay. There is no. No, sin respuesta.
Guys,
Me
what would be
confundí.
the possible answer? Let's help Solange with the answer, guys. How would you answer that question, guys? How much fish is there? No podemos contarlo, entonces no podemos decir one fish, porque no está en el mar. Entonces, ¿qué vamos a decir?
There is a
Possibility.
little fish.
A
There
lot
is
fish.
Exactly. There is a little fish, Solange. There is a lot of fish. There is some fish. Depende de ustedes cómo lo vean. ¿Qué tanto pescado hay? Para mí eso es mucho, right? So there is a lot of fish. Pero de pronto alguien que se coma una buena mojarrita dirá, no, eso es muy poquito, so there is a little fish, ¿ok? All right, Solange?
Yes, teacher.
O lo puedes poner en libras, supongamos. Ahí calcúlale cuántas libras puede tener ese pescado.
5.
Entonces diríamos, there are
There are 5
pounds
pounds of fish.
That's right, okay?
Okay.
All right. Okay, guys. And how about this one, guys? Number 3. What is that? What is that? What is in number 3? What's the word for that in English, guys?
Chicken.
Chicken. That's right.
Chicken.
So, Nelson, how much chicken is there? How much chicken is there?
There is a lot chicken.
A lot of. Don't forget of. A lot
A
of.
lot of chicken.
That's right. Okay. And Sara Urueña, what if we talk about this one, Sara? What is this in English?
La pregunta, ¿cierto, teacher?
Yes, okay. What's the question?
How... ¿La pizza es contable o incontable,
¿Tú
teacher?
qué dices? En español es contable, pero en inglés no.
Ah, pues sí,
Bueno,
porque pienso que
depende.
sería contable como los pedazos, ¿no? Como las
Bueno,
porciones.
si me vas a decir los pedazos, sí es contable. Entonces, ¿cómo sería la pregunta con pedazos? O las porciones, ¿cómo sería?
Sería how many pizza.
No, porque me dijiste que las
Eh.
porciones. Tú me dijiste que le vas a poner con porciones y ahí es diferente. Si le pones las porciones, sí sería how many, pero si le pones solo pizza, sería how much. Intentemos las dos, a ver cómo nos va. A ver, dejemos la de pizza, entonces déjala con how much.
How much pizza are there?
Is there.
Is there?
Y si lo hacemos con porciones, ¿cómo es que se dice porciones?
I don't know.
Slice.
Slice.
Slice, but it's
Ah.
plural. It's plural. So it's not slice because it's plural. What's the plural of slice?
Slices.
Slices.
So what is the question with the slices, Sara?
How much
How many?
slices pizza?
Me cambiaste la
Ay,
how many?
esas dos.
All right.
How many slices pizza are there?
Exactly. How many slices of pizza? All right. Good. ¿Sí ven que uno puede cambiar la pregunta de acuerdo a lo que quiera decir? Entonces hay que tener en cuenta cuál es la correcta. But in this case, so in your making like your mathematics, Sarah, how many slices of pizza are there in your opinion? There is 1, there are 2, there are 3, there are 4, there are 5. What do you think?
There are 5 slices of pizza. Or
Good,
slices
Sarah.
pizza.
No, slices of pizza.
Slices of pizza.
Very good, Sarah. Excellent. All right. And Miss Pataquiva Martinez. All right. Here we have. What is number 6, Sarah Fernanda? What is number 6? Yes. And what would be the correct question there? There are 2 possibilities. Which one would you like to use for the question?
How much cheese is there?
Yes. So, Sarah, in your opinion, how much cheese is there, Sarah Martinez?
There is a piece of cheese.
Excellent. Very good, Sarah. All right. Okay, guys, how about this one, guys? What's the one in number 9, guys? What's the one in number 9? What's number 9, guys?
Milk.
Milk. All right.
Milk.
That's right. So, guys, let's practice with Tatiana. Bueno, Tatiana ahorita que nos diga qué dudas tiene. Jimena. Let's go with Jimena. Are you ready, Jimena?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, what would be the question? ¿Cómo preguntaríamos qué tanta leche hay o cuánta leche hay? ¿Cómo hacemos esa pregunta? What's the question there, Jimena?
How many?
Pero si podemos utilizar, pero si vas a poner how many, me tienes que poner el container.
There is some.
Sí, pero la pregunta no me quedó bien hecha. No me preguntaste, solo me dijiste how many, pero no me hiciste ninguna pregunta. ¿Aquí en qué container estaría la leche?
Okay.
Jimena, ¿en qué container está? ¿Cómo le llamamos a esto en inglés? You don't know? You can say I don't know. Guys, how do you call this container in English? No, porque jar es esta. No, jar es la de la miel. ¿Es parecida a la de la miel?
Jack.
Exactly, Jack. Good. Jack. All right. Entonces, ¿qué podemos preguntar, Jimena? Podemos preguntar cuántas jarras de leche hay o cuánta leche hay. Pero de acuerdo a lo que escojas, va a ser how many o how much. Entonces, si pregunto cuántas jarras que usamos, how many o how much, Jimena?
How many?
How many? Continúa, how many? Continúa con la pregunta, how many?
How many Jack?
Jacks porque es plural.
Jacks?
Ajá. Of.
Milk?
Ajá.
Is there?
Are there. Ok. Y en la respuesta sí vamos a hacer there is porque solo hay una, ¿no? There is. How many jacks of milk are there, Jimena? There is 1, there are 2, there are 3, there are 4, o there is 1.
There is 1.
Ok, esa sería una. Pero si yo solamente quiero saber cuánta leche hay, no pregunto específicamente la jarra, ¿cómo sería la pregunta? Vamos a utilizar how much. ¿Ok? Jimena?
Okay, teacher.
Like how much milk is there? Y en la respuesta sí me puedes decir there is 1 jack of milk. All right. And here we have, guys, what is 14? What is the in picture 14, guys? What's 14?
Tomato.
Tomato, yes, tomatoes. So Geraldine Parra, what is the question for the tomatoes? What question can we use for the tomatoes, Geraldine? Con Geraldine tengo un problema con el micrófono. Todo esto es el chat, Geraldine. Use the chat box, okay, Geraldine? Because your microphone doesn't seem to be working today, Geraldine. ¿Algo pasa con tu micrófono? Yo sé que ahorita lo prendiste, pero no se escucha nada. Si quieres, entonces utiliza el chat. And use the chat box to practice today, okay? So, guys, but first let's practice with Tatiana. Tatiana, do you have questions about this topic? Tatiana López, ¿tienes preguntas sobre el tema? Yo sé que no estuviste en una parte, pero pues has estado en esta. Do you have any questions or problems with this topic? Miss López, Tatiana López. We have... ok, ella sí me contestó, pero no lo vi.
Yes,
What's the question? Okay, espérame. Geraldine, very good question, Geraldine. Excellent question, Geraldine. And what is the answer, Geraldine? Sorry, Tatiana? Yep. O Ingrid, creo que fue. Yes, Tatiana, go on.
Es que, profe, no entiendo lo de how many y how much. ¿Cuál es la diferencia?
Guys, ¿cuál es la diferencia entre how many y how much? Ustedes explíquenle que ustedes ya saben. ¿Cuál es la
How
diferencia,
many
guys?
contables y how much incontables.
All right. ¿Qué quiere decir eso, Tatiana? Que cuando yo voy a preguntar sobre cosas que no puedo contar, por ejemplo, la leche. Yo no digo una leche, dos leches, tres leches. Cuando quiero preguntar cuánta leche hay, utilizo how much. ¿Ok, Tatiana? For example, how much milk is there? How much water is there? Todas las cosas que no puedo contar en inglés, a lo que me refiero que no puedo contar es que no puedo decir que hay una. Por ejemplo, no digo una leche, un agua, un aceite, sino digo leche, agua y aceite en inglés. Right? Entonces, para eso utilizamos how much. Y how many también la vamos a utilizar para preguntar cuánto hay, pero de cosas contables. Por ejemplo, los huevos. Yo digo, how many eggs are there? How many apples are there? How many bla, bla, bla are there? ¿Ok, Tatiana?
Yes, teacher.
All right. Igual creo que pues, después te va a tocar ver los videos y mirar lo que estábamos haciendo en clase. ¿Listo? Antes de que te fueras.
Okay.
All right. Very good answer, Geraldine. Okay? Good, Geraldine. So, guys, let's practice here. Let's go to bright space. And let's practice. Okay, first, before we go to bright space, guys, we're going to practice here with some activities to select what is the correct answer. Okay, we're going to practice with how many and how much, guys. So we're going to have this activity to practice, but please give me a sec. All right. Because this doesn't seem to be working. So, guys, in this activity here, let me share with you the link here in the chat box. So, guys, yes. All right. Here, guys, we're going to have this activity to select what is the correct answer. All right, what is the correct answer here? So, what do I mean with this activity? Here, again, we're going to have, you are going to select what is the correct answer for these 10 questions. Remember again, type your name, all right? Type your name down. For Sara Dueña and Sara Martinez, please write your last names because you are namesakes, tocayas. Namesakes in English is tocayas. So I need to know which one is, who is who, I guess. Who is who? Not which one is who, but which one is who. In this case, guys, for example, we have these two options. What is the correct answer? How many bottles of water or how many water are there?
Bottles of water.
Exactly. El agua no la contamos, pero las botellas sí. Por eso vamos a seleccionar bottles of water. Guys, don't forget to click on enviar respuestas. Cada vez que seleccionen, don't forget to click on enviar respuestas. And example number 2, guys, this one. How much cheese is there or are there?
Is there.
Exactly. All right. Si ves, por ejemplo, Tatiana, en este caso, el queso no lo cuento, no lo puedo contar en inglés. Tal vez en español si decimos un queso, dos quesos, tres quesos, en inglés no. Por eso vamos a utilizar en este caso how much. How much cheese. ¿Cuánto queso hay? How much cheese is there? Okay. Okay, guys, no olviden darle submit answers. Okay, submit answers. And how about number 3, guys? How much cans of soda is there or how much soda is there?
How much
soda
is there?
How much soda is there? And click on submit answers. All right, is the activity clear, guys, for you?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, I'm going to send the answers. No olviden darle submit answers. Cuando estén y hayan seleccionado su respuesta, don't forget to click on submit answers in order to get what is the correct, if they are correct or incorrect. Okie dokie. Let me share with you the link. Please hold on. I will share with you the link right now in the chat box. There you go. All right, please confirm if you can open the link. Don't forget to type your name and last name. All right? Did you get the link, guys, in the chat box?
Yes, teacher.
Yes,
All right,
teacher.
let's do it. It's easy. You just have to select what is the correct answer. Please select what is the correct answer there. All right? Let's take 5 minutes to do the activity. You can do it from your cell phones too if you want to. No problem. No problem if you select your cell phones to do it. Don't forget, guys, no olviden, estamos trabajando en el link. In the link I sent to the chat box, there is a link there. Open the link and please drag and drop the correct word for each sentence, all right? Drag and drop the correct word for each sentence. What is the correct word in each sentence, okay? While I'll do something here. I think there is something in the chat box. Let's see. And okay, guys, don't forget when you're ready to say I'm done or I finished, okay? Or done, simply done. Don't forget to use done, I'm ready when you finish, guys. How's it going? Easy or difficult?
Easy, teacher.
Easy.
I done.
Easy,
Right.
teacher.
Great. All right, here we have, I don't know what I did, guys. I have to, no, this is the one. Okay, so let's see. Here we have so far the answers from, okay, we have Caroline, good Caroline. Well, Ingrid, we have some issues there. We're going to practice later. And we have the answers from Caroline, Cindy, Nelson, Sarah Martinez, Sara Urueña, good, Geraldine, Jessica, Gabriela, Edwin, Oscar Barbosa, good, Maria Alejandra, Ingrid, all right. Tatiana, okay, Tatiana, much better, Solange, and Jimena Correa. So who's missing? I guess nobody's missing, right? We are already done there. And let's see. We have from the class. We have Oscar's answers. Yes. Gabriela, yes. I don't remember if I saw Jimena's answers. Yes. And Nelson's answers are there. Edwin's answers are there. Jessica's, Carolina que no vino. He's not here today. Cindy Herreño, yes. Tatiana Lopez, good. Maria Alejandra, good. Geraldine. Ah, yes, Geraldine answers are there. Sol Angie. Yes, good. Sol. Ingrid and Cyrus. Good. So, guys, and Caroline. Ah, yes, sorry. So, guys, what are the correct answers here for these activities, guys? What were the correct answers? Let's check with, since our results were not the best, let's practice with Ingrid. Ingrid, vamos a practicar contigo las respuestas, ¿vale? Are you ready? Ingrid? Hello?
Yes, teacher.
So, Ingrid, what's the correct answer here? How many or how much?
No estoy viendo. No veo
¿No?
la pantalla, es que mi internet está fallando mucho, entonces no veo.
All right. Okay, no problem. So let's practice with Tatiana. Meanwhile, Tatiana, practiquemos contigo que no estuviste, a ver cómo nos va en esta, right? Tatiana López. Tatiana?
Señora,
Go on, let's select the answer. What's the correct answer, Tatiana? How many or how much? How many eggs are there or how much eggs are there?
how many?
How many? Okay, recuerda que la pronunciación es many. No money, many. All right. Okay, good. What about number 2, Tatiana? How many or how much?
How much?
Good. How much bread is there? How much bread is there? Good. Okay, how about number 3? What's the answer in number 3, Tatiana?
How much soda?
Good. How much soda? Great. All right, and how about number 4?
How much coffee?
Good. Excellent. Excellent, Tatiana. How much coffee? Good. How about number 5? Oh, sorry, 5. How much cheese is? How much cheese are?
How much cheese is?
Yes, is there. Okay, good. And how about number 6? What's the answer here?
How many bananas are there?
Ya, pero acuérdate cómo vamos a pronunciar esta palabra. ¿Cómo se pronuncia?
Many.
Exactly, no money. How many bananas are there? Great. And how about 7? What's the answer here? Tatiana? How many cartons of milk are there? How many cartons of milk is there?
How many cartons of milk are?
Exactly. Acuérdate que no es many, es many. All right. Okay. And how about this one, Tatiana? What's the answer here? How many water or how many bottles of water are there?
How many bottles of water are there?
Great. How about this one? Okay, sorry. How about this one, number 9? What's the answer here in number 9? How many sugar or how much sugar?
How much?
All right, how much sugar? And very good, Tatiana. Finally, what's the correct answer here, Tatiana? Number 10. How many apples or how much apples?
How many apples
Great.
are there?
Excellent. All right. Very good. So guys, here I think there is a question. Let me check. There is someone raising his hand or something like that. Okay, guys, up to this moment, we're going to do one more activity for the second break, guys. And in this activity, guys, we're going to go to bright space, okay? We're going to go to bright space. Vamos a ir a bright space. We're going to be on unit 4, countable and uncountable. Okay, countable and uncountable. We're going to practice with the lesson here, guys. And for the lesson, guys, we're going to check here. All right. We're going to practice here with the use of how many and how much, all right? So guys, so we're gonna start the quiz. Remember, in this activity, if you want, you can take a look at the video. Take a look at the video. It takes 2 or 3 minutes, all right? And we're going to complete here. Remember the pronunciation, guys. What's the pronunciation for this question?
How many?
And this one?
How much?
How
Exactly. All right, so if you want, si quieren, pueden ver el video. Es corto, tiene 3 minutos. But the activity here, guys, it's very simple. Here you're going to have 2 options. Remember, the options are how many and how much. The options are how many and how much, right? You are going to select what is the correct answer here, how many or how much. For example, if we have butter, do you need? So how many or how much? Number 1 or number 2?
Number 2.
Bueno, entonces, ¿cuál? 1 or 2? Jeje. How many or how much?
Number
How
2,
much?
teacher.
How much? So
How
we're going to
much?
select 2, all right? We're going to do that activity. Vamos a hacer esa actividad antes de irnos al segundo descanso. Okay, remember, Unit 4 lesson. Okay, Unit 4 lesson. Is the instruction clear to everybody? So we go to course home, all right? And we're going to practice here, course home, Unit 4, countable and uncountable, and we're going to go to lesson how many, how much, okay? Let's do it. Si quieren, echen una revisadita al video, dura 3 minutos para que vuelvan y recuerden cosas que estuvimos viendo. Por ejemplo, Tatiana, que no estuvo en la primera parte, míralo para que te quede claro ahí un poquito más lo que estábamos viendo, ¿ok? Let's do it, guys. We're going to check those answers before the break, okay? Let's do it. Is the instruction clear to everybody? Ingrid, Alejandra, Cindy, and Tatiana, is the instruction clear?
Yes, teacher.
Yes,
Right.
teacher.
And
Yes,
Oscar,
teacher.
Oscar, Edwin, Gabriela, and Jessica, is the instruction clear?
Yes, teacher.
All right.
Yes, teacher.
Solange, Nelson, and Sara Urweña, and Sara Fernanda, is the instruction clear?
Yes, teacher, is clear.
Yes,
Right.
teacher.
Teacher,
Yeah,
Yes, teacher.
yeah, Solange, ¿te escucho? Yeah.
¿toca realizarlo ya o es de tarea?
No, es ya. O sea, la tarea en clase.
Ah.
Right now.
Ajá.
Yes. And Tatiana, Jimena, and Geraldine, is the instruction clear?
Yes, teacher.
All right, let's do it. Vamos a hacerlo antes de irnos al segundo descanso. Let's do that before the second break. Remember here, guys, we go to Unit 4, Countable and Uncountables. We're going to practice with the lesson. What is the correct answer for those 10 sentences? Okay? Let's do it. All right, guys. Gabriela, ¿pudiste entrar a Bright Space? Veo aquí que no has entrado. Gabriela Cholo. Hey, Sara tampoco ha entrado. Sara, ¿tuviste algún problema para entrar? Sara Urueña.
Sí, teacher, es que no encuentro la página. No me sale.
Ah, ok. Remember, ¿no te sale la página de Bright Space?
No, es que de pronto es por lo que estoy en el celu.
Ah, ok. ¿Quieres que te lo envíe el chat?
Ay, sí, porfa.
All right, espérame, ya te lo envío. Espérate, a ver. Pero la próxima me dicen, ¿no? No importa qué sea cuál el problema, pero me dicen. Profe, no puedo entrar, no me acuerdo cuál es la página, no la tengo aquí a la mano. Don't worry. Espérame porque ahora se me bloqueó mi cámara. There you go, Sara Urueña, all right? Y Gabriela
Thank you,
Cholo.
teacher.
All right, no problem. Gabriela, what's the matter? Veo que no has entrado. All right, very good. Caroline, good. All right. Gabriela, ¿si pudiste recuperar la contraseña? Porque aquí creo que no has entrado. No sé si es porque, o al menos respóndeme por el chat, porque ¿cómo hago para saber? Si no me respondes por chat, no me contestas en el micrófono, ¿cómo hago, Gabriela? All right, guys, 1 minute more and we'll be out. Oh, okay, guys. So I know that you guys are practicing here. So guys, are we ready? Almost?
Yes, teacher.
Yes.
All right, guys, we're going to have the second break. Okay, if you haven't finished, take these 15 minutes to finish. We're going to have our second and last break of the day. Remember, we're going to be back at 12 o'clock, okay? We're going to be back in 15 minutes. Go and stretch, go to the bathroom, go and eat an apple, and be back to the class in 15 minutes, okay? See you in 15 minutes, guys.
Okay, teacher.
Bye-bye.
Okay,
If you haven't
teacher.
finished, please send the answers. Okay, guys, thanks a lot. See you in 15 minutes. All right. For those who haven't finished, Sara Urueña, confírmame si pudiste entrar. Y Gabriela Cholo, sigo esperando que me contestes porque no me contestas, Gabriela. Ah, bueno, se fue. All right. All right. So, guys, see you in 15 minutes, all right? I'm going to be back at 12.